Let's be honest, no one wakes up excited to open a support case. For most of us, dealing with support tickets is like finding a missing sock in the laundry, a pesky problem that just won't go away. Whether it's a user who skipped the manual, a mysterious bug that only appears on Tuesdays, or a critical error that triggers a dreaded email alert, support cases are a universal headache. They eat up time, drain resources, and test the patience of even the most seasoned engineers. But what if there was a better way? Today, we'll explore how AI agents are transforming this chaotic process into something efficient, scalable, and dare we say pleasant. Support operations are often seen as a necessary evil, a cost center that grows with your business. The more customers you have, the more support you need, and scaling this operation can quickly become messy and expensive. High turnover, inconsistent service, and the constant need for training make running a support desk unpredictable and stressful. One day, you might get a pro who can debug blindfolded. The next, a rookie still learning the ropes. But what if AI could take over the repetitive, tedious cases, freeing up your experts for the truly challenging problems? Imagine a world where AI agents handle the majority of support cases, leaving only the most interesting mysteries for human engineers. With the right strategy, AI can transform support from an endless misery into a streamlined, reliable operation. Instead of burning out your team with repetitive tasks, you let machines handle the drudgery, while your experts focus on detective work that actually excites them. This isn't just a dream, it's becoming reality as organizations embrace automation and agentic support operations. Support tickets can come from anywhere: automated monitoring systems, ERP tools like ServiceNow, or even a frantic email from a user. No matter the source, the message is the same: fix this and fix it fast. Sometimes it's user error, other times it's a system bug or an edge case no one anticipated. The urgency is always high, and the pressure is real. This unpredictability makes support a tough job, but it's also where AI agents can shine by bringing consistency and speed to the process. Before AI agents can work their magic, they need a solid foundation, good documentation. Think of agents as bright interns, eager to help, but lost without a playbook. Many organizations rely on unwritten rules and tribal knowledge, which makes scaling support nearly impossible. To automate effectively, you must capture, standardize, and maintain your support documentation. This unglamorous step is the key to unlocking massive cost reductions and smoother operations. The first step in automating support is understanding what you're dealing with. Enter the support case classifier. This tool collects all available information from a ticket, whether it's structured data from a system or a panicked email, and enriches it with context. Thanks to large language models, we can now extract facts from messy text and combine them with structured data, creating a detailed profile for each case. This allows for precise classification and ensures the right agents tackle the right problems. With AI agents, you're not limited to one solution at a time. Since the cost of running an agent is much lower than a human, you can have multiple specialized agents working on a single case in parallel. It's like having a pit crew, each member trying a different strategy, and then picking the best solution. This approach boosts efficiency and increases the chances of a quick, effective resolution. Once a case is classified, agents need more information to solve it. This is where data access agents come in. They act like digital detectives, searching through your data landscape for clues. The resolution agent asks questions in plain English, and the data access agents translate these into queries, fetch the necessary data, and return the results. This mirrors how human experts instinctively gather context, but with the speed and precision of AI. Veteran support engineers know to check related systems, recent changes, and user patterns. AI agents are trained to do the same, transforming general procedures into personalized solutions tailored to each case. By gathering contextual information, agents can offer recommendations that are more accurate and relevant, improving both speed and quality of support. With all the data in hand, AI agents craft their battle plans. Deep reasoning models like OpenAI's O3 or Anthropic's Claude 4 Opus explore multiple strategies, just like chess grandmasters. Each proposal includes a detailed execution plan and a risk assessment, with clear reasoning behind every decision. This transparency is crucial for building trust in automated solutions and ensuring that every step is logical and justified. Even the smartest AI agents need oversight. This is where the LLM as a judge pattern comes in. Specialized agents validate each other's work, ensuring both technical accuracy and compliance with organizational standards. It's a healthy internal conflict. One agent pushes for speed, the other for safety and compliance. This system of checks and balances is key to building reliable, trustworthy support automation. Once a solution is validated, it's time for action. Modern systems offer agent-friendly interfaces, allowing AI agents to trigger automated execution on remote systems. For routine, reversible fixes, agents can handle everything without human intervention. For high-risk or critical actions, human oversight is still required. The golden rule: automate confidently, but never recklessly. Transparency is non-negotiable in agentic support operations. Every decision, every reasoning chain, and every outcome must be logged and traceable. This level of observability is essential for accountability and continuous improvement. When something goes wrong, you need to understand not just what happened, but why the agent made its choices. Think of it as a flight recorder for every support case. Even in a world of automation, some support cases need a human touch. These are the cases that require original thinking, intuition, and creativity skills that machines can't replicate. While AI excels at combining existing solutions, transformational creativity remains a uniquely human superpower. By letting machines handle the routine, humans are free to focus on the fascinating edge cases that require genuine detective work. Imagine a support operation where routine cases disappear automatically, leaving only the most interesting challenges for your experts. Instead of grinding through password resets, your team becomes a squad of digital detectives, solving complex mysteries. This is the future of support, one where automation and human ingenuity work hand in hand, making support not just bearable but actually enjoyable.